Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to make collaborative designs with another person on Canva. So what thing you want to know is that Canva has the ability to host 2, 3, 4 or more people on Canva space, which means that what the project you're working on can be seen or viewed or edited by another person. So let's say I'm working on this project. I can always add somebody here. Okay, I can grant access to them here. I can add them here via their email or names or groups on the Canva platform, and then they will be sent a link where they will have to accept it, and then they will automatically be added to this particular design project. And this is how to add or even remove people from your project. Thank you very much. If this video has been helpful to you, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe for more informational contents like this. Do have a great day.